Hello and welcome back. I am so happy you are here today. This channel is for everyone that is 50, 60, 70 and beyond. We always talk about things that mature women have to address. And in today's video, we are talking about color correction, concealer, eyelid primer, camouflaging spots on our faces, and what we could do to make ourselves look better with just a few products. Now, let me tell you, I'm going to be talking about a new holy grail in this video, so you're going to want to watch the whole thing. Before we get started, I would love it if you would subscribe, share, save this video, and leave a comment. You all mean the world to me, and I love getting to know you, and your suggestions and comments always mean so much to me. And without further ado, let's push in and let's get started with this video. I missed you all so much last week, and I'm excited to bring today's video to you all. It really hit me that I haven't done this yet, and I want to go over the difference between concealing your under eyes, color correcting, and even using a beautiful eye cream underneath these aging eyes of ours. In today's video, I am using a very new to me product. I've been using this about a month, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love this. This is the Colleen Rothschild Illuminating Tinted Eye Cream. Now, why do I like this so much? Well, first of all, it is tinted, and you do not use very much, half of a pea size. And I like to take the product and warm it up between my fingers and just tap it underneath my under eyes, okay? And a lot of times I will wear this and not wear concealer. Now, that is not my everyday look. Believe me, I like to have my under eyes looking as good as they possibly can on this 63-year-old. My eyes are so illuminated after I use it, and it makes a difference. I am looking into my little side mirror here, and I feel like it really does look beautiful. And there is a reason that this has gone viral several times. And guess what? I have a link down below, and you don't have to put in a special code, and that link will give you 20% off of this wonderful product. So I would highly recommend picking this up because it does help the mature skin to look beautiful. And we can all use a little bit of illumination in our life. Remember, there is a difference between illumination and glitter. So just wanted to make that perfectly clear. Okay. I am now going to go into color correcting, and I have a lot of blue like right up here. And today I'm using the Sigma Spectrum Color Correcting Duo, and this one is the light to medium. The nice thing about Color Corrector is that you can use it alone, or you can use it underneath concealer. You can even spot treat areas on your face. I have this vein right here that I absolutely hate. I'm going to go in with the medium color, and I am going to use my finger. I really like to get the product warmed up on my finger. Let me grab a mirror. And I am taking it right here with my finger, and I'm tapping underneath the lower lash line. And I'm really only putting it in areas where I feel like I need it, because it's really going to address that dark situation that I have there. I also have it over here too, and as you can see, it even goes up into this part. So let me turn. I'm going to use my big mirror. And they have this color correcting duo in several different colors. And so it's whatever you feel will work best for your skin tone. And again, I have a link, and I do have a discount code for Sigma. Okay, and then I'm going to take this concealer brush. I use this for so many things other than concealer. And so remember that with brushes, just because it says it's meant for one thing, that doesn't mean you have to use it for what it says it's for. Okay, so I have color corrected in there, and I think that that looks really pretty. You can tell if you have product on, but it's not too much. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color correct this vein that I just hate right here. And what I like to do is just tap it in. I don't take anything, a brush, and go back and forth. I'm literally just tapping. Let's see. I have several other places I can touch with color corrector. It does make a big difference. It really does. Since I've had the halo procedure, my color correcting is much less than what it used to be. Thank goodness. I want to go ahead and put on my foundation so that you can see what I do before I put the concealer on. One pump is all that's needed. I am using the Haus Labs Triclone Foundation today. I really love this product because a little bit of it goes a long way. And again, it has some light filtering properties in it that I think makes our mature skin look so pretty. Camouflaging those areas or color correcting those areas before you put foundation on is such a win. And you'll remember I camouflaged over here. I always call it camouflaging. I know it's color correcting, but I am literally stippling this foundation in. I do not want to disturb that area of color correction. I'm going to pull it down on my neck. Look at that. Good thing I have a mirror here because I didn't see in the camera that I needed to blend my nose. When you're looking into something this big, it's very difficult to see. Now look how beautiful that foundation is. I'm down to about a half a bottle. I have one on reserve, and I have over 40 foundations, so you must know that I like this. Before moving on, I want to color correct my upper eyelids. This is why I love this Rare Beauty eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer. It's weightless. It's so pretty. It does an amazing job camouflaging those dark under eyes, and when it keeps our eyeshadow on all day long. And I use my finger, pretty much I always use my finger, and look at the difference with these eyelids because they are no longer dark. Everything is starting to look really pretty, and there's no discoloration showing through, and I like that. Let's go back to the foundation. I always put foundation on before I put concealer. It's just the way I like to do it. If you like to do it the other way, more power to you, but this is the way I like to do it. So today I am using Maxine's Revenge concealer, and I think I have set this here before, but I'm going to say it again. Since I received this in PR, I did receive it in PR, I have not used another concealer. And you know what I like to do here? I like to put a little light dot in the center. So I like to go more skin tone and then put the light in the middle. And then, again, I like to tap it in with my finger because that is basically warming the product up to the warmth of my skin, and it's starting to let it sink in. And that is wonderful. And the benefits of the Maxine's Revenge French Face is that there's so much skincare in this product. Now, women that have oily skin probably wouldn't need an under eye cream if they're using French Face. But for me, I have dry skin and I have to use an eye cream. And so now what I'm going to do is I am just tapping. I'm using my A506 brush. Look how pretty that is. And then what I do is I go back in with my foundation brush and I just tap those edges to give it a seamless appearance. It's amazing to me what color correction and concealer and foundation and eyelid primer will do for us before we even start the makeup process. So let's recap. I used the Colleen Rothschild Illuminated Tinted Eye Cream first. I love this. Then I used the Sigma Color Corrector, and mine is light to medium. Love this product. So good. Then I used the Triclone Foundation by Haus Labs. Love it. And then I used French Face by Maxine's Revenge for my concealer. And I adore all of these products and I recommend them to everybody on a regular basis. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be back. Oh my goodness, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Before we leave today, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share this video, and save it for the future in case you need to go back and reference it. And don't forget about all those wonderful links that I have down below. It just helps to support this channel. I don't make a great deal of money off of any of the links, but it does help. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you the next time. Bye.